Hello friends, welcome again. This is my new project, Health Supplement Store. I am using latest PHP version 8 and the MySQL version is also 8. This is a bootstrap theme. We have used the Visual Studio Code ID. So this technology stacks we have used for development this project. This is a mobile responsive theme. If you click on any inspect, you can see this is a mobile version of website. So this is all of the mobile version. You can see. Okay, let's start the functionality of the project. Our project title is Health Supplement Store, and we have developed this project with two different type of interfaces. That is front end face like customer, and the second one is admin interface. Both are totally different interface, but both are responsive, and both and we are using Bootstrap latest version. So this is a major project, and from this project, you student can learn lot of things like how can create the database, how can you manage the database, PHP with CRUD application like a create, update, and delete. Many of things you can learn. Let's start the features that we have developed inside this project. So this is a home page. You can check. This is this is you can check. Click on categories. You can see all the category listing. These are coming from the database. These are dynamic. This is this is a search header bar. You can search anything from here. We have added three images here. You can see if you click on shop now, like the slider images has been changed. You can see all the products are also and categories are also visible here. You can see it's sliding. We have tried to make this project more functional, more operational. We have used a lot of plugins to develop this project. So this is all about the home page. This is a about us page. This is a about us page. This is a static page. Nothing dynamic in this page. So this is a product page. This is a dynamic page, and all of the products are coming from the database. If you click on the view details button, you can see here all the details about the products like a omega 3 capsule. So this is all of the products page. Same for the categories. We have added 8 categories, but this is a dynamic. You can add number of categories from the database from the dynamic panel. We have separate admin panel for that. If you click on the categories like the protein, if you click on that, then you can see 6 products related to protein category which are coming from the database. So this is a registration page, user registration page. Here user can register here. This is a user login page, and this is a contact us page. This is a static contact us page. Nothing dynamic in this page. This is a real map. A small map I have integrated in this project. Now let's go if buy some products like click on omega 3 capsules. You can add a number of products like 1, 2, 3 and click on. You can see two items and the two items add to cart. So click on the add to cart. Oh, there is a registration page. Restriction without login you can't buy the product. So you must have the user account on this portal for buying any products with like amit@gmail.com and the password is test. Now click on the login to account. This is a customer dashboard, user dashboard. You can see. First click on the products where you want to buy anything. Click on that. You can add number of items. Click on add to cart. You can see two items and the total amounts get calculating automatically. And the total amount, that much amount you need to pay. After click on the proceed to checkout, you will be able to see payment page. This is a dummy payment page, not real payment gateway. You can enter anything from here like card number 123456 and the MasterCard and the expiry date 24 and the CVV number 123. Click on the make payment options. You can see your payment has been done and this is a order summary. You can see your order summary and you can see your order details from the order my order space. You can see total orders, confirmed order, transit on orders, delivered orders. So you can see user dashboard page. You can see if you want this is a great dashboard. You can see you have a placed 22 or total orders, confirm orders. If you want to the details of any orders, you can click on I icon. You can see the order details. You can see the order details from here. So this is a dashboard pane. You can see all of the order details and this is a important links. This is a important links. You can go either you can go on the page from this or either clicking on the page just like click on the you can come from direct here. So this is a my account page. Here customer can easily update his account details. This is a change password page. User can easily update change password and this is a logout page. So this is all about the front end thing. One last thing I want to tell you, this is a session driven. You can see administration option is showing, logout option and dashboard option is watch saying showing. If I log out, then upper menu has been changed because of the session driven. So this is all about the front end panel, what we have developed inside the project. Now comes on the admin panel. So this is a admin panel. You need to log in, right? So without login, you can't access the portal. So admin@gmail.com and password is test. So this is the admin dashboard. This is a very attractive and great dashboard we have created for the admin panel. Here you can see the total orders, 22 order delivered, confirmed order, order in transit, total orders, total cost. You can see everything from here. This is a dashboard. Even this is a drag and drop thing because you can minimize it from here. And if you can refresh the page, it will comes again. You can maximize also. So here is the total order section, total customer, total product. This is a quick menu. From here you can go on the page of the, if you click here, menu will be hide like this. After hiding menu, but if you don't want to hide, then if you want to, don't hide the project, don't hide the quick menu option, you can refresh the page. The menu has been visible. So click on the add products page. Here, here admin can easily add the new products, and you can also see all the product reports from here. If you want to, if here admin can easily edit the product. You can see the product in edit format. You can see the all the product report. You see, you want this report export in CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can do easily. Same for the category. Here admin can add the new category and all of the category report. Admin can easily edit from there. All category report. You can export the data CSV as well as Excel as well as PDF. You can see this is all the orders management page. You can see all the orders, total orders, order delivered, confirmed orders. If you want to see the details of Amit Kumar, you can click on I icon. You can see the order details. If admin can want the cancel the orders, here admin can update the, you can see the order has been cancelled. This is a add customer page. Here admin can add the new customer, and this is a customer report page. You can see all user report. This is a change password page. Here admin can easily update his password, and this is logout page. So this is all the admin panel. You can see the view of admin panel or also view of user panel. So we have developed these two different type of views for the managing this whole project. So this is all features we have developed inside the project. If you need any enhancement, any feature, just put it into the comment box. We will develop the new project according to your requirements. So don't forget subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much.